kind of technical data sheets. So you're making sure that specifications, you're making sure that the SDSs we're versioning have the correct information on. So that way we're not sending something out that's dangerous and then all of a sudden we go, wait, this has actually got all of these hazards that we associate with it. So it's making sure that we're not providing the wrong information. While that's in development, there's also the side things where we update current specs, where we find out new information, or we have, because we deal with a lot of natural products, there is a lot of items that kind of change over time. So depending on the year, you could get different harvests, which will affect the different compounds within a compound. So all of a sudden now you go, well, the spec has actually changed a little bit, so we need to adjust it as a result. A lot of that then will then come through us. There are manufacturing changes we need to do. If other departments find more efficient ways of doing things, we'll then make sure that that gets processed out properly to production, making sure that they're then using the correct methods that's been changed. So it's things like that. But there will also be supplier SDS reviews. So what we're buying in, we also need to make sure is suitable for what we're having on site. So we have some hazards on site that we say, no, we do not want to handle these. They're too dangerous, effectively. And then we try and make sure that we update stuff frequently.
We are responsible for change control. So any changes that are made, basically, they go through us. We also do kind of like product support. So we set up new products on the systems. We also issue new SDSs and like other documents are required that might be required. We review new raw materials that come into the company. So like we review, if in case there's like, any hazard updates, we work on that as well. Regulations, obviously. And that's what I like about this job. So, we don't really have a day which is, exactly the same. It always varies.